Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check availability in Outlook. Checking availability before scheduling your meeting is always considered. In order to do that, just you need to head over to help and just click on go to classic Outlook, cause in the new Outlook the feature is not available. That's why we are going to classic Outlook. On the screen you can just click on skip feedback, and yeah, the classic Outlook has opened. Now here we need to click on the calendar option, and the calendar option should be just right here at the bottom. Click on the calendar, and once the calendar open, you just need to click on new meeting option, and just right here you can enter the title for your meeting. Then here you need to enter the attendees for the meeting. You just need to fill the information, and just right here you can choose the start date and end date. But as I said that we're gonna schedule the meeting depending on the availability of the attendees. And in order to check availability, you just need to head over to this section called scheduling assistant. You will see window like this, and just right here we need to choose the time when we wanna hold the meeting depending on the availability of attendees. So I guess this time is free here. We can just hold the meeting for 1 hour, like when 12:30 to 13:30 means 1:30 p.m. So you need to choose that slot because these slots are the ones where these attendees are busy. So I guess I would love to hold the meeting on this time 8:30 to 9:30 for 1 hour. Once you pick the time, you can just get back to meeting and fill other details including location and description. Once you've done that, just click on send, and yeah, that's it. This is how you can check availability in Outlook while scheduling meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.